Hey guys, so I've been trying to figure out what to do with these signs that I thought were chalkboard and are actually wood. Totally my fault, did not completely read that description on Temu. Gotta be careful with them, you do gotta read all the way through. And I did not do that. So I thought, what if I took some butterflies, and these are just cute little butterflies. What if I put some of those on here? And maybe wrote like, hello spring, or something like that on one of these. And just made it a cute little wall sign or door sign. So I'm going to find the one that I want to put on here. I think I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do it down in this corner. I'm going to put that on first, and it's a sticker. So I'm going to put it on first so that I know where I can write at. So we're going to go ahead and get this off of here. I always have trouble getting these started with peeling them. There it goes. I'm just going to carefully lay this at a little bit of an angle in the corner. And since it's supposed to be a chalkboard, I'm going to use the white. Because this is just an acrylic marker. I'm going to use a white acrylic marker. And I'm going to just dab it to get it going real good. Actually, I'm going to see what the green comes out like. I've got a test one over here and I can just look. I think I kind of want more color to it than just white. Oh, the green will show up pretty too. So let me do green. Since it's for spring. I'm just going to write hello. And I'm terrible at freehand, so hopefully I won't make this too big and then have to squish it, but I may. So, hello spring. And then I've got some flowers. The ones I got out are kind of fall looking, but I've got some yellow in here too. So I think I'm going to put some of these flowers on there. I'm going to take my B7000, just because it's got a little bit more of a precision tip on it. And I'm going to use that to put some of these flowers on. So I don't want to waste these boards. I want to be able to use them. So I'm going to take a little bit of greenery. Kind of pinch off the size I want. I can get a hold of it now. Guys, it's been one of them days. I've spilt things, dropped things, just all day long. Just a little bit of glue up along the length of that. Flip it over and lay it down on the board. And that B7000 does not take long at all to dry. And I'm going to put some on the back of the flower. Put that right over the greenery. So I've got a little greenery there and a little flower. Just going to hold it down for a moment so it can attach. I'll take one of these little ones here. going to be too big, so we're going to have to take another one of these. Some petals fell off it. Get them out of my way. Put some on the back of this one. And we'll put a little orange one up here. You can use any flowers you want, any color you want. I just happen to have these already out, so I thought I'd use these. I think that went overcrowded with that one. Just take that one off there. And I've had these for a while, and some of these petals are coming off. Throw a sprig of greenery along here. And just stick this little orange one here. It's not perfect. He's missing a few petals, but that's okay. It'll still look cute on there. Got to drop some glue. Now, once this is all dry, what I would do is take a clear coat spray like my Mod Podge and spray it just so this stays on here and it doesn't get rubbed off, because they are dried flowers, and if they get rubbed too much, they are going to come off and just break off. It's just the nature of it. But you could even make little flowers using your resin and just make them thin and then go ahead and put them on there. But that gives you an idea of something you do with these little signs. Like I said, I'm not great with freehand, guys. This is something I really need to practice at. But it's an idea. And I would put that on my front door. I think it's kind of cute with all the flowers. Some of you who may be a little more artistic than I am when it comes to this kind of thing would probably do a bang-up job. And if you do, show it to me. Put it in the comments down there. I'd love to see it. But also, you know, I could make letters with resin. I could do a lot of things. And put it on there and then go ahead and just glue them on or resin them on. Use some 5-minute bond and just stick them on there and make a really cute little sign. But for a quick little freehand, I don't think that's bad. That doesn't look like something I could sell, to be perfectly honest. But if you want something just for yourself, go ahead and play around with it. Have fun. I mean, you don't know until you try. And I will put that on my door after Easter, because right now I have an Easter sign on there. So that's the video for tonight, guys. I will see you on Tuesday. Have an awesome night. Thanks for joining me. Take care.